Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. Thanks for tuning back in, and I am back yet again with another little dumpster dive haul. Nothing major, but still some good stuff that is definitely usable, and glad that I saved it. And then I have one big exciting thing off camera that I will show you at the end, but that's definitely my favorite find of this video and in a while. But I wanted to start off this video by saying thank you for all the well wishes on my last video that I uploaded a few weeks ago. I did recover, I guess you could say, from COVID. Like I said before, I never really felt too bad, so I'm thankful for that. But I tested negative. I was able to get back to everyday life without missing out on too much. So I'm glad about that. Hopefully everybody else who has been impacted by COVID is able to make a recovery as I did. But thank you for all the well wishes, and thanks for watching that video. And then the next thing that I wanted to address, which I did make a community post about, if you didn't see that though, I will no longer be able to receive anything in my P.O. box. And I've had it for a year. It's been fun getting all the letters. These are the last 3 that I found. Well, not that I found, but that I received before I closed my box. So hopefully nobody sent anything before I was able to put that out. But this one is from Vivian. This is from Victoria, who lives in Panama, which is really cool. The country, not the city in Florida. And then this one's from Donna, who had sent me a whole bunch of cards throughout the year. And I think she makes these. Yeah. She made all the cards that she sent me, I think. So that is fabulous. Thank you guys for sending those. And thank you to everybody who sent me anything over the past year. It's been fun, and I might open it up again in the future, just not yet. Not at the moment. I didn't renew for the year, so I'll let you guys know if there's any updates on that. But as of now, don't send anything else to the P.O. box, but thank you for those who have in the past. So let's get right into the haul. Most of this is from Aldi, except for 2 things. So let's do those first. These are from Ollie's, right there, as you can see. This was actually a 4-pack of like plastic decor baskets. These top 3 are broken. The third one not too bad, but the 4th one on the bottom is completely fine. So I will disconnect those and then just use that bottom one and throw the top ones away there. And then right here, this is from the thrift store dumpster actually, which sometimes I'm unsure why they throw away some of the things they do versus what they keep. But I know they sell rugs usually. They just didn't sell this one for some reason. It's a runner. I do like it. I don't absolutely love it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to end up keeping it or if I'll give it away or something. But obviously it would need to be cleaned. Not only because it's from the dumpster, but specifically because it's from the thrift store. So it's just like a brown, tan, reddish with a little bit of blue runner rug. So it's pretty nice. That's why I took it. And then I believe the rest here is from Aldi, so let's get right into it. I'm actually going to start here. I found these quite a while ago, but I didn't have anything to show them with, so now I do. I have 3 packs of these wide egg noodles. There were quite a few in the dumpster, actually. I only took 3 because that's all I could feel like I would be able to utilize. But 3 packs, can't go wrong with that. They cook super fast. You can make like beef stroganoff and stuff. So that's great. I have a pack of jalapenos, which I will need to cut up and freeze here soon because they aren't going to last forever. And then I have a whole bunch of applesauce. And they are missing some, so I think there's 2 missing from each of them, but I have 2 extra right here, so that means I have 1 full pack and then 2 packs that are 2/3 of the way full. So these are cinnamon applesauce cups. And yeah, that's great. I will eat those. Sticking with the fruit, I have a whole bunch of bananas, which I haven't hauled in a while, and I'm actually completely out of frozen bananas. So most of these will get frozen. These ones some of these I might keep out and eat for breakfast. The next. Okay, so something went wrong with my video, but like I was saying, I might keep a few of them out to eat for breakfast the next few days, but the rest of them are going to go right into the freezer for smoothies and milkshakes, things like that. I do love bananas, and I love frozen bananas. Delicious. Right here, it is getting to be that time where I can get cold things, but I don't know about you guys. The weather here has been so odd. Climate change, as they say, so I don't know. It's been warm. Like, it'll be 20 degrees when I wake up in the morning and have to go to work, so it's freezing cold. I'm bundled up. And then come lunchtime, it's 60 degrees. and then we have like 40-mile-per-hour winds and stuff like that. So it's a little sketchy with the temperatures right now. So I haven't been taking any meats or anything, but the day I found these cheeses, it was cold. I felt comfortable. Cheese is a little hardier than meat and stuff like that. So I just have a brand new, obviously brand new, pack of mozzarella and sharp cheddar. And yeah, everybody always asks me, how do you know they weren't sitting out? I don't. I just use my best judgment, the taste, the smell, the look. I've never gotten sick or food poisoning from anything that I have eaten from the dumpster before ever. So I feel fine using and eating those as well. Back here, I have 2 packs of these mini muffins. These are just the store brand. There's 5 packs, 4 muffins in each. They're just the little chocolate chip ones, so those are super cute. Super easy snack, great to have. And then along those same lines, I took some Italian bread. There was a whole bunch of these in there, but I just took one. I think I'll probably put that in the freezer. And then this, I wish I would have taken more. I think there were 3 of them in there. I only took one. I wish I would have taken at least one more, but it's like this really soft chocolate chip brioche bread. I think it just like feels really delicious. I don't know if that makes any sense, but like the texture of it is so good. So I'm going to eat that one up pretty soon. This one I'm going to put in the freezer. I do know that somebody came to the dumpster right after I left. It was an older gentleman, so hopefully he took the other ones of those. Almost done with the food, and I have these, which is very fun. It's a pack of Oh Snap Dilly Bites little pickle snacks. I have 7 of them. It's just little bags of pickles, and the date isn't until April. I just think that's super cute. So I will definitely eat those. I do love pickles. And then the last few things over here before I show you the fun one is I have this pack still from Aldi of little fairy lights. Just tiny little lights as shown in the picture there. And then this is cute. Obviously half of it's broken, but it's a milk and cookie plate set for Christmas. The cookie plate is broken, but the milk mug is still fine and intact. And I think that's cute. So that's it for the table and everything from my normal dumpster diving. This next bit came from a residential garbage thing. I don't know, people were throwing things out. It came from the city that my sister lives in. So I was visiting my sisters, and then I saw this on the way home. It is this fabulous giant like rattan wicker piece. And it is absolutely gorgeous, and it's a good thing that my dad was there as well, because this would not have fit in my car at all. It barely fit in his, but we were able to load it up into his. He just came and brought it to my house afterwards, and it has just been misplaced sitting here in the living room since then, but I will find a spot for it eventually. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the detail on the side. Beautiful. Obviously, I'm going to clean it up. Make sure it's all good to go, but it's completely intact, sturdy. Like this is very much in style right now, and this would just be absolutely gorgeous with plants on it. I don't know about you guys, but that's immediately what I thought. It's just huge. It's almost up to my ceilings. Yeah. So that is my favorite find for the day. For sure, because most of the rest of the stuff is food, which I do absolutely love as well, because I will eat it, and it was free. And I've been getting some comments on my videos recently from people who aren't like normal subscribers, I suppose, but they're asking like, why? Why am I digging? I think the word was like, why are you digging through the trash for food? And the answer is, why not? I feel comfortable doing it. It's going to go to waste anyways. It's good for me because it's free. It's good for the environment because it's not wasted. And overall, I mean, if I'm comfortable with it, there's nothing wrong with it. So everybody doing their own thing, and this is what I like to do. So I'm hoping to have at least one video posted next week as well before the holidays. Hopefully I can stick with that. I know I'm not super consistent with my posting, but I try my best. And if not, Merry Christmas to everybody that is celebrating, or Happy Winter for those who don't. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And I will be back soon with more dumpster diving and home decor and home renovation and all those good things types of videos soon. Thank you guys. Oh, and don't forget to tell your friends to subscribe because I'm still not quite at 25,000 subscribers yet, but I'm close, and I will get that giveaway going as soon as I hit 25,000. So thank you guys. See you soon.